Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need minimal prerequisites, updated Windows and the virtual machine platform. Open an admin PowerShell now and run WSL install Ubuntu. This both enables WSL and downloads Ubuntu automatically. Once done, reboot if prompted so kernel and features initialize. I tell you this because it avoids juggling manual downloads and mismatched components. Make sure your account has admin rights. Without them, the installation halts. After reboot, proceed to the first launch to set your Unix username and password. You launch Ubuntu and immediately set the Unix account. This step secures your environment and creates your home directory. Once the shell is ready, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to get current packages. This avoids package conflicts later. Then install essential tools like sudo apt install build essential curl and opens server only if you need remote access. Make sure to configure time zone and locale if asked. If you plan GUI apps, enable WSLG on Windows 11 or configure an X server on Windows 10. You finish by setting Ubuntu as the default with WSL set default Ubuntu and test basic commands like ls, unamr, and sudo apt install htop. Access Windows files under /mnt/c or from Explorer via \WSL$ to move work between systems. If something fails, run WSL update to refresh the kernel, then WSL shutdown to restart the subsystem. Retry any failed installs. One key troubleshooting tip. If networking or package installs fail,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.